Did you know, employees at Google were offered the chance to nap at work because the company believes it may increase productivity?
I am not surprised. Have you taken a look inside a high school classroom these days? You will see a teacher at the front of the class and students sitting at their desks. But these students are not paying attention.
Instead, they are dozing off or even completely asleep. Well, today, high school students, like most of us, are not getting enough sleep.
Yet, most of us are not fortunate enough to work in office environments that permit, much less smile upon, on-the-job napping.
This, despite the fact that recent studies suggest that any deep sleep, whether in an 8-hour block or a 30-minute nap, primes our brains to function at a higher level, letting us come up with better ideas, find solutions to puzzles more quickly, identify patterns faster and recall information more accurately. NASA-funded research found, for example, that letting subjects nap for as little as 24 minutes improved their cognitive performance.
That means, more tolerance to altered sleep schedules might in fact be in our collective interest.
Yes, indeed. Researchers have observed that long-haul pilots who sleep during flights perform better when maneuvering aircraft through the critical stages of descent and landing.
Oh, yes, and I've heard that Fernando Montes, the former strength and conditioning coach for the Texas Rangers, would set up a quiet area where players could sleep before the game. Players themselves said that, thanks to this schedule, they felt great both physically and mentally over the long haul.
Well, the cognitive benefit of a nap could last anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, depending on what stage of sleep a person reaches before awakening. Researchers at the City University of New York found short naps helped students identify more literal and figurative connections between objects than those who simply stayed awake. And a professor of psychiatry at Harvard Medical School proposes that sleep, including short naps that include deep sleep, offers our brains the chance to decide what new information to keep and what to toss.
That could be one reason our dreams are laden with strange plots and characters.
A result of the brain's trying to find connections between what it's recently learned and what is stored in our long-term memory.
Well, in rapid eye movement sleep, named so because researchers who discovered this sleep stage were astonished to see the fluttering eyelids of sleeping subjects.
The only phase of sleep during which the brain is as active as it is when we are fully conscious, and seems to offer our brains the best chance to come up with new ideas and hone recently acquired skills. So, when we awaken, our minds are often better able to make connections that were hidden in the jumble of information.
Well, strategic napping in the Rangers style could benefit us all.
And indeed, freeing ourselves from needlessly rigid and quite possibly outdated ideas about what constitutes a good night's sleep, might help many of us getting the rest we need. In a healthy and productive, if not 8-hour-long block,